Watch this video and learn how to draw a really cute little bear. Later in the video, Artie gets a call from his friend Quackers the duck. And later on, Louie will be reading some poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artist? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Hello, Artie?
Oh, hello.
Hello. Are you ready for the day, Artie?
Yes, Artie is very excited for today.
Oh, good. Should we do a nice drawing today?
Okay.
All right, then.
Yay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't see you there.
The little artists have joined.
Happy day, Artie and friends.
What are we going to draw?
I don't know what to draw.
You don't know what to draw?
Can you help Artie, please?
Okay, let me think. Oh, I know. Let's draw a little bear.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, great idea. Great.
Let's start by drawing our bear's nose. Draw a little triangle right in the middle of the page and then shade it all in black. It looks a bit like one of those triangle-shaped cheeses.
Yeah.
Me and Artie love cheese, don't we, Artie?
Yeah.
Once the nose is fully shaded in, let's draw a circle on the left side. Just a little circle, and then we'll shade that in as well. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a message from Bobby Bananas.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Thank you, Bobby. Now, Artie, let's draw the right eye. Another little circle opposite the left eye and shade it in black. Let's draw a tiny little mouth. Another little circle shaded in black again. Let's start the left side of his face. Oh, here's baritone.
Hey, Artie, what are you doing? Oh, it makes me want to sing.
Thank you, Barry. That was a brief visit. Good job, Artie. Let's go right across the top of the head, and then we'll come down the right side, all the way down past his right cheek.
Oh, felt time. Oh. Somebody's calling. Quackers, my favorite art-loving duck. How are you today?
Artie, my friend, I am simply quacktastic. And let me just say, your workplace in itself is a masterpiece. Love the creative vibes.
Thanks, Quackers. I'm actually in the middle of a drawing. What about you? What artistic adventures have you been up to?
Let me just tell you, I waddled in front of the QHQ through the most inspiring pondside scene. The reflections, the ripples, the cattails swaying in the breeze. Pure art, my friend.
That sounds amazing. Did you paint it?
Oh, you bet your paintbrush I did. I call it Duck Impressionism, Ripple Reflections. Oh, Artie, the blues and the greens practically quack off the canvas.
That sounds so cool. I've been thinking about drawing something inspired by nature too. Maybe a duck.
A duck? Oh, be still, my feathers. Artie, we could collaborate. My pond painting and your duck drawing. We could call it Artful Quackers.
I love that idea. But Quackers, how do you always come up with such fun names for your art?
Artie, it's about letting your imagination quack free.
Thanks, Quackers.
Anytime, Artie. Keep creating, keep dreaming, and make sure to keep quacking. See you on the flip side.
Bye, Bye-bye, Quackers.
Next week when I'm out of town, I'm gonna felt time with Artie too.
Yeah.
Okay, Artie, come on, back to work. Let's give him a chin, all the way across. Keep watching, because later on it's one of Louie's poetry breaks. Okay, Artie, let's give our bear a really big ear. A big, giant C shape coming out the left side of his head. Excellent. Now let's draw a smaller C shape inside. I think he can hear us now. Hello, Mr. Bear. Maybe he needs another ear.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
How's my favorite artist? I love that drawing. That looks so good.
Thank you.
Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Oh, isn't Bunny cute, Artie? She wants you to hop to it and get the drawing done. Okay, now our bear has 2 ears. I think he can definitely hear us now. Hello, Mr. Bear. Now let's add his body. Draw a curved line on the left coming down from the head and another one on the right.
Speak your truth, Susan. I agree. Hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today, we've got a lovely little poem about my favourite, Betty Brush. Okay, here we go. Betty Brush is clever and wise, with colours as bright as the morning skies. She paints and teaches a wonderful guide, sharing art history with joy and pride. From ancient art to modern flair, she tells the stories with love and care. Her swirls of colour bring art alive. With Betty Brush, we learn and thrive. Oh, that was marvellous, that one, wasn't it?
Now, Artie, let's add 2 little circles for feet. One on the left and another one on the right side. That's it. Now our bear has 2 cute little feet. Let's give him 2 little arms with paws on the end. One on the right and, of course, one on the left.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Let's draw a big upside-down U shape in his tummy. Now draw a curved line across the bottom. That's it. Oh, he's looking so good. I think he might be finished.
I'm finished.
Oh, I'm pleased, Artie. He looks good.
Yeah.
Now what?
It's coloring time. Oh.
It sure needs some color.
Artie's finished.
Oh, he looks so good, Artie. I love the brown and pink.
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
You must be really proud of this drawing.
Artie's very proud.
We hope you enjoyed today's show.
And we hope you come back and see us tomorrow. Have a great day, little artists.
Bye.
Bunny wishes and carrot kisses.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.